What is going on, guys? Liz over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome back to my channel. It is August and we are here with a video for you guys for the Every Little Bit Counts challenge. If you don't know what that is, check out the Three Rivers Homestead, and they are bringing in some produce from their garden and getting it on their shelf each day this month, and they have a lot of great ideas if you don't know what to do with some of your harvest. I'm going to show you what we're doing with some of ours. Just wanted you guys to know that we do share a video every single day over on TikTok. And during my busy months, I don't really get one over here onto YouTube, but that's about to change because our pond season is kind of over. We're into construction season now, so I'm a little bit less busy here at the farm. And I'm gonna be doing more homesteading type stuff, and so I thought we'd be able to bring you guys along. A couple videos ago, I was in here giving you guys a pantry tour, and I know that you liked it so much that I figured I would come back in here and just show you what we've added in the past couple weeks. Starting right here with some sweet coleslaw and some kohlrabi coleslaw. We did some rutabagas. I also did rutabagas with potatoes. We've got our new flavor that I just did the other day, and I did a video on TikTok. Flavor is what we call ketchup. Over here, we've got some chili. We've got some plain green beans, which I'm actually doing a canning class this Friday night, which it'll be last Friday night by the time you guys see this video. Did a round of canned pickled peppers, regular corn. I did an apple and onion with kohlrabi. I did a meat sauce, and we just did our first batch of regular sauce. And then what else did we just add in here? Oh, so far we've added corn. And I also canned a bunch of chicken, and I have it in a case right over here because I needed some room in my freezer to start storing some of our tomatoes. Last night I decided it would be a good idea to get the dehydrator filled with some more tomatoes. I've actually got my seed saving station set up. Say that 3 times fast. My counter definitely looks like August. I have been dehydrating and making things out of all of our cherry tomatoes, which I just did an awesome ketchup recipe that you can find over on TikTok. And because my kids were away, I decided to can some of the fruit. And believe it or not, this is banana. I am unsure why it turned so pink though, but monkey butter. We're gonna have to try it. On days that I'm canning, I don't usually pick, but today I'm gonna go back and see what else I can get for green beans because I have that class tomorrow. Figured I would check my new beans first and see if there was any beans ready, but there's none here. Lots of flowers, but no beans. Figured while I'm back here, I might as well grab the eggs, and it's awesome because egg production is up. If you hear something screaming like it's in pain, don't worry, it's not. It's just loud. We've got some little baby turkeys running around and some not so little baby turkeys running around. These guys have gotten so big so quickly. Not sure they're adorable anymore. This is their mom. Unfortunately for me, I will not be processing any zucchinis this year because the plants look horrible. I actually have some new zucchini plants over on the other garden that I've gotten a couple from. Here are those other squash plants I was telling you guys about. Lots of flowers, not many squash. It has become the nightly ritual to let these guys out while I am picking in the garden, and I'm sure that they love it. Got 7 quarts of green beans for our canning class for tomorrow, and I am pre-packing these jars because I'm gonna have so much going on. So thanks everyone for tuning in today. Even if you're not interested in gardening at home, it's great to get some seeds in the ground or even in some raised pots or just decorative pots and seed save so that you can grow more next year. Leave any questions or comments for me you guys have down below, and we will see you guys next Sunday.